Yeah. This is Reverse Mike. There's this one track, man. It's called Saturday Night. I don't know whether I'm gonna reach that perfect moment to sing like the way I want it, the way I feel it inside my heart, or just in my brain when I'm thinking about the sounds and the rhythms and the melodies of this track. But it's called, actually, it's named Saturday Night. It goes like Saturday night. I don't want no tough ends. Saturday night, I don't want no beer. Saturday night, I don't want no grooving shippings. Saturday night, all I need is to be next to you. Saturday night, Saturday night, Saturday night, Saturday night. All I wanna do is to be right next to you. Saturday night, that's all I wanna do. Lay right next to you on a beautiful Saturday night. All I wanna do is to be right next to you. Saturday night, I don't want no troubles. Saturday night, I don't want no beer. I said Saturday night, I don't need no shipping cruise. Saturday night, all I want is to be next to you. Saturday night, all I want to be next to you. Goes up by your side. Saturday night, all I wanna do is feel you. Saturday night, all I wanna do is be next to you. Feel you, baby, on a Saturday night when everybody's busy dancing on them dance floors. All I wanna do is to be right next to you, holding you closely, dancing with you on the blankets. That's my perfect Saturday night, Saturday night. All I need is you next to me, Saturday night. I don't want no beer, Saturday night. I don't want no shipping crew, Saturday night. All I need is you next to me, holding on to you. That's my biggest fun. Saturday nights, all I wanna do is feel you. Saturday nights, my love been pumping for you, baby. Saturday night, no, baby, only you. You're my groove right in my heart. Saturday night. Thank you. It goes like that, but I don't know, man. I feel like every time the melodies change, the lyrics change, but I guess it's something like that. Yeah.